In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off bell and pop-up notifications in Hubspot. If you've been overwhelmed by constant alerts while trying to focus on important tasks, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this quick guide, I will walk you through the steps to regain control of your notification settings so you can work in peace and truly customize your user experience. First things first, we're heading over to the HubSpot website. You can simply open up your preferred web browser and type in hubspot.com in the address bar, or click on your bookmark if you have one set. Upon reaching the HubSpot homepage, you'll see various options, but for our purpose today, you'll want to look for the login button. Click on this button to proceed. With your login credentials ready, whether you're using an email and password or another linked account, sign into your HubSpot account. If you need to, quickly do any authentication necessary to complete the login. Once you're in, you'll be welcomed by the HubSpot home screen. This is the starting point for all the magic. You'll notice a range of icons and menus. What you're looking for now is the notification icon, often represented by a bell symbol, located somewhere at the top of your screen. Give that icon a click. This is where all sorts of notifications could have been piling up, trying to grab your attention. After you click on the notification icon, it's time to dive into the settings. Look towards the top right area of the notification pane, and you should find a gear icon labeled Settings. Clicking on this icon will take you into the notification settings, which is exactly where you need to be to start managing those pesky alerts. Now that you've arrived at the notification settings, you're nearly there. Here you'll discover a variety of notification options, allowing you to tailor what types of alerts you receive and how you receive them. Our focus today is to turn them off completely. You'll see an option labelled Turn Off All Topics. By clicking this, you will silence all the bell and pop-up notifications from disturbing you again, and just like that, you've successfully turned off notifications in HubSpot. You can now focus entirely on what matters most in your workflow, free from interruptions. Remember, if you ever change your mind and want to enable notifications again, you can revisit these settings and adjust them according to your needs. Hopefully, this walkthrough has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Thanks for watching and have a productive day ahead.